Let's talk about dutasteride injection in both male pattern baldness as well as in female pattern baldness. Actually, in male pattern baldness and in those females who are undergoing hormonal disturbances and who have raised testosterone level in their blood, this testosterone hormone gets converted into dihydrotestosterone, popularly known as DHT, by 5-alpha reductase enzyme in the blood. And this DHT has devastating effect in susceptible individual in both men and women on the hair follicle. This DHT starts doing miniaturization of hair follicle, and gradually hairs become shorter and thinner over the crown area of the scalp, and sometimes it can lead to complete disappearance of hairs on the crown area of the scalp. So there are two medications which are widely recognized as DHT blockers all across the globe: finasteride tablet and dutasteride capsule. Both these medicines, finasteride and dutasteride, works by inhibiting 5-alpha reductase enzyme in the blood. That's why they inhibit the formation of dihydrotestosterone in the blood. And since the dihydrotestosterone influence is gone from the blood as well as from the scalp, those miniaturized hairs present on your scalp or present under the skin of the scalp starts growing out, and gradually hairs become thicker and hair density improves. Yes, these medicines are not going to work in those individuals who have completely lost hairs from their scalp and even miniaturized hairs are not present. Now, this 5-alpha reductase enzyme is of two types. First is type 1, that is mainly found in skin and oil glands. And second is type 2, mainly found in hair follicle, prostate and genitals. Finasteride tablet works by inhibiting only type 2 5-alpha reductase enzyme, whereas dutasteride capsule works by inhibiting both type 1 as well as type 2 5-alpha reductase enzyme. That's why dutasteride capsule leads to more comprehensive decrease in dihydrotestosterone production in the blood, and that's why making it more potent option to treat both male pattern baldness as well as female pattern baldness. But still, there is 0.05% risk of decreased sexual interest with either dutasteride capsule or finasteride tablets. That's why dutasteride injection has become widely popular. And after dutasteride injection locally on the scalp, the chances of getting absorption of dutasteride in the bloodstream is almost negligible. So dutasteride injection is ideal for those patients who have had sexual side effects with either dutasteride capsule or finasteride tablets in the past, or who wish to avoid these sexual side effects in future. These injections are given by your dermatologist either locally on the scalp, or it can be applied after microneedling on the bald area of your scalp. Ideally, 4 to 6 sessions are needed at 1 month interval. But if you are taking these injections at 15 days interval, that would give far better results. But please consult your dermatologist for that.